Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in for another video. My name is Sarah. Today I'm here to show you guys a Shein haul. This is my first ever buying clothes online, and I just wanted to test it out because I've heard such really good reviews on about Shein, and I wanted to just try them out. So I did not really buy a lot of things, just few blouses and I think 3 pieces of jewelry. I just wanted to check if the sizing is good and if how the material is, so probably next time I would buy a little more. So I hope you guys are excited, and I'll show you guys the pieces now. And the Shein web page, so let me just go in for blouses now. So let's check some shirts. Okay. Okay, this is a nice one and it's on sale, so let's check this. I think it just runs in one color, just the blue, I think. Let me just and it's a wrap blouse, so let me do a small and cart. It's actually a very pretty dress, but I like dresses that are the mid length, so it's a little short for me. It's also a very nice one, but I think it's full sleeves as well. So full sleeve. Oh, this is a tie neck. Okay, then let's check out some jewelry. Oh, this is nice, very pretty. Oh, this is 6 pairs, really, for $5? 6 pairs. 6 pairs, geometric. So this is about it. I'll just give this another check one more time before I make the purchase, and then see you guys on the day I receive these items. So I have my package here and it's still sealed. I haven't opened it, so let's open them up. What's really nice about this is they come in individual packets, which is really nice. I'll leave an image of the item here so you guys can see the prices. So this is all in Canadian dollars. So the first one is here. This took about 2 weeks, you can say, for these items to get shipped. So and also it depends on the weather and everything else, the postal services, so you can order in advance. So the first top here, this one is just a plain navy top, which is actually a wrap top. So this is a wraparound top, so it goes this way, it goes like this and it wraps around. So I just liked it because of the style. It's a wraparound top. I don't own one as such, so I like that. And the second is it's nice, and it's very soft, and it's got long sleeves, so that's why I picked this up. And blue is my favorite color, so you will find a lot of blue pieces in a lot of clothes that I wear. So this is what I picked up. Moving on with the second item is this one. And also I picked up all these blouses in the size small. I'm actually a size medium usually if I had to purchase it from a shop, but when I looked into Shein, small, the measurements for small was what usually fits me in medium. So if you're going to buy something, just make sure that you go a size lower. That is how it was for me. So if you're confused, just look into the measurements and you'll have an idea. So this one is a Christmas sweater. I wanted to get something like this for the season. So it's very nice and comfy and warm, and it's got reindeers and Christmas trees. It was very cute. That's why I purchased this. It's also a nice warm long sleeved. Most of these blouses are all winter themed because it's winter here in Canada and it's snowing, so I wanted something nice and comfy. So this is another sweater. The next piece is also a sweater. Oh no, I thought it was a sweater. Oh, actually I actually thought this was like a nice it's actually thin. I thought this would be a thicker material, but this is like that. let me show it to you this way. Yeah, but this is more like a blouse, which is good, and it actually looks different. If you see in the image, it actually looks like a sweater. It's just because of the lines, I suppose, but it's a nice blouse. And again, this is a long sleeve, and I like the colors. It's like a nice, it's going towards the darker end, and I just want to pick this as well. This one, which is again another blouse. This is in black. I actually forgot I ordered this. This is a very thin material, so I do not know how it's going to actually look, but it's a very cute top. It's got some nice tiny hearts, and it's black, and then at the back it has this it has a button for the neck, so it's like a keyhole design at the back, but it's a very simple top, but it's just cute because it has these nice ruffles on the edges, and I like the sleeve as well. So let me try this out. It is a little thin, but I think it will look nice. That's it for the blouses. I picked up some earrings. I'll show you guys individually. So this first one is very cute. Show you guys. These earrings were actually really cheap. I think they were just for $4 and a couple for $2. It was really good. So this is the pair of earrings. They are tiny gift boxes, and I thought it will be perfect for Christmas and this season right now. Look at that. So this is what I purchased, and I love dangler earrings. I love the big ones. Bulky earrings are my favorite, so I just wanted to try this one. And then the next one is this one. This is a multicolored rhinestone earring. This one looks exactly like the image on the website, so I thought the stones wouldn't look that good, but they actually look very pretty. These are the next pair of earrings. Actually, if you see, when I saw it in the image, I thought these were all stones, but they're actually just how do I say, they're not stones, they're just printed that way. They're made that way to have those dents inside, so it looks like it's got stones. So this one is the next. And finally, I picked up this pair of geometric earrings. These geometric earrings are in trend now, I think. The plastic earrings, they are what are in trend now, so I just wanted to pick one pair. Just picked up one dress. It's more like a summer dress, but you can wear it at any time of the year. It was really cute. Let me see, I don't know how it's going to look when I wear it, but it looked very pretty on the model. It is a very cute ruffled dress, so it's got these cute puff sleeves with a nice elastic detailing here, and then it's got a sweetheart neck. I love sweetheart necks on dresses, they look very pretty. And then it's got a tie here that you can tie up, and very pretty, and it's a very cute print. It's in dark green, I think. Yeah, I don't know how it looks on camera, but it is dark green. And then at the end as well, it's got very cute ruffles at the end. So let me just try this dress out, and actually the quality is really good. It's not too thin. If you see, it's not thin. You do not need to wear something inside. It's not see-through, which is good. This is the first outfit. I like the fitting. So I bought everything in size small, like I said. So it's good. I like the fitting. It's a little loose near the arms, but I don't think that's not an issue with me. And then it's a wraparound, so you have a hole inside the top, so you just have to take the belt inward and then tie it. It's very easy. You'll understand if you buy this top. And of course, I'm wearing a piece inside. I've paired these earrings for this top. These are the geometric earrings. And so yeah, let's check out the next outfit. This is the next blouse. I like it. Again, it's very comfortable. You can move around. It's not restricting you anywhere. It's high neck, and like I said, it looks like it's a sweater material, but it's not. I thought it was a sweater when I purchased it online, but it's just a nice soft blouse material. But because it's high neck, it's nice for the fall and winter seasons. So let's go in for the next one now. The third outfit, this is the Christmassy sweater that I picked up. It's so cozy and warm, and really thick too. And also I just feel like I've come out of a Hallmark Christmas movie. I feel so Christmassy wearing this itself because it's got this very cute reindeer pattern, and it's nice red and white. And of course, if you've noticed, I have the cute Christmas earrings, and yes, so this is the next outfit. Now let's move on. Is the next blouse. I really like these cute ruffle details, and very soft material. There's a ruffle here in the neck, and it's really nice and very airy and comfortable, so it's perfect for the summer. And yeah, and I've paired it with these gold earrings. So this is the final outfit, and this is the dress. I really like this dress because it's perfect fitting and very very easy to move. Though it's perfect fitting, I do not find it being tight or anything. It's got a lot of give as well, and I love the ruffles at the end and how flowy. It's more like a skater dress, so it's nice to move around. It has more space, and I like the frills. So yeah, that's it guys, and I've paired the same gold earring with this dress as well. That was the last outfit, and I really liked all the clothes that I picked up, but Shein is actually very good. For this video, my friends, I hope you like this video. This is my first time me making a video like this. I'm really happy with the clothes. I'm really happy with how it looks, and the sizes and everything is perfect. So if you would like to purchase on Shein, definitely go through. If you're gonna buy clothes online for the first time like me, probably just go in for 2 to 3 pieces, try it on, and especially with the sizes, and then you can buy more. So I hope you like this video, and if you do want to watch more such fun videos, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also stay tuned for more videos. I'm making a lot of more Christmas videos throughout December and January. I hope you like them. Until next time my friends, see you soon. Bye bye.